So my Electro Cookie mini tower for Raspberry Pi 5 case arrived, and I'm gonna put it together. So let's pop open the instructions. Come on, pop open the instructions. So let's start. We need to put the power button in, which is right here. So power button, let's see. Oh, oh, come on, rotate. How does it go in? Like that. Okay, rotate it so it's appropriate. Next, we got to put the fan on the heat sink. So let's see, where's the fan? The fan's right here. If I can pull this out. We have the fan, heat sink, and let's see, 4 screws, the longer ones, not there. Not those, the longer ones. So most likely these. So let me move some stuff so I have more room to see. This is one part, this is the other part. So let's, how do I open this? Oh, there we go. Let's open this up carefully. Keep them center, keep them, oh, don't fall out, please. We need 4 of them, so 1, I think there's 5, so I think this is the only purpose they have. 2, 3, come on. Oh, don't drop it. Oh, I almost dropped it. 4, and we need 4 washers, which are included, and it looks like there's only 4, so dump those out. No, you stay in the bag. Okay, put those to the side. Let's see. How does this go together? Like, okay, so this one is the one that gets the fan with the cable down, like so. Pop that in. That doesn't make any sense. Like this. Better, but no. Huh. I'm trying to read the instructions, and the cable comes out the bottom, but when I put it in, it gets pinched. Let's try this. So we need a washer. Oh, do I have it on backwards? No, that's right. So let's lay this flat, put on a washer, and we'll try screwing one in. That didn't work. Oh, I'm an idiot. The washers go here. See, that's why you got to read instructions carefully. And now I bet when I put it down, it won't. Yep, now it's not getting pinched. So let's put these in, put it in, and we'll grab my screwdriver. It's gonna take me a second to. Oh, it's magnetic. Cool. I didn't realize this screwdriver was magnetic. Dang nabbit. Okay. Oh, they're not lined up right, or are they backward? They're backwards. I gotta flip them. Okay. Now let's try. Come on. Oop, that sounded good. Hold on. Having a little bit of trouble. Okay, back into place. No. There we go. Why are you not going in? Oh, it's not lined up right. That's why it's not going in. Pull the screw out. I can't do this one at a time. You just gotta line them up better. This is gonna take me some time. Oh, I almost dropped it. I almost lost that screw. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Don't don't want to over tighten them, but I do want them to be secure. There we go. Much better, much better. I'm blocking the camera, I apologize. Just need to get my hand in there. Pull the cable back a bit. Oh, oh, do not lose a screw. I have an extra one, but I'd rather not lose a screw. And there we go. Okay. 3. Screw it onto the other part. So let's see. Hold on. So I need where'd they go? Right here. I need these 2 screws. And then the 4, where's that one? Where is it? I know I had it. Hold on. Where's the other screws? Is it this one? Yep, there we go. Got those. So let's see. How does it go in? Like this? Yes, like this. All right. Oh, we gotta peel some stickers. Okay, well, not stickers, but these things. And we gotta cover, where's my Raspberry Pi? There it is. Move these over, put the Raspberry Pi, flip it like so. So let's do this. Oh, I hope this doesn't damage it. This is something I'm not used to doing. I'm, still new when it comes to this stuff. Come on, fall out. There we go. Okay, put the bag to the side. So they're double-sided, sticky on both sides. Oop, no, screws. I am almost dropping these things. Oh, I dropped it, but I caught it. I caught it. And then the extra screw. Put you back in there. Okay, so let's see. Let's screw on this to this first, these 2, before we go sticking anything to the Raspberry Pi. Move these over, do not lose them. So it looks like it's like this. Is that right? That looks about right. All right. Don't knock anything over. That's there. That's there. Okay, so let's screw these in. We need to use, don't pop out on me, you stupid bag. It popped out on me. Come on. Okay, I don't have scissors. So why won't you just rip? Everything's falling. Of course, it's fine. We'll do it that way. Put all these to the side. Do not lose them. Rip this bag now. There. Now I need 4 of these. This is where it gets complicated because I do not want to lose any of these. Okay, bag is open. Let us get 4 out. So 2, 4. Put the rest off to the side in a little tray. Let's look at this again. So we want it like, what? We want it like this, and we want this like that. Flip it over. Line up the holes. Come on, I need to buy a new lamp. This one's not a novelty lamp. It's not really too good. Magnetic screwdriver. Oh, they didn't stick. Gotta hand screw it in first. Whew, this is gonna be a long ass video. Stop falling, please. I can't see the hole. Okay, there we go. Hold it down. This is becoming frustrating. Oh, there it goes. Screw it in. Looks good. Keep screwing it in. Oh boy. I bought some stickers for this thing, but I think they're going to be too big, so I might put them on either my laptop or my desktop. Hopefully I can still stick them on. Okay, that's good. That one's screwed in. I cannot see anything. What the heck? I forgot to turn the TV on the living room off, didn't I? This is becoming frustrating. They're so tiny. They're just so tiny. What's funny is I didn't even... I'm not going to be able to even hook this up today because I don't have the operating system. I bought that later, and it won't be here till tomorrow. So today is just me putting this together and testing it to see if it powers on, and this fan powers on, but I'm not actually going to be able to do anything with it. I also need to get an Ethernet cable because it's not Wi-Fi. Ooh, almost dropped my screwdriver. Okay. My fingers are so fat. It's still, ow, that hurt. Come on. Oh, did I? Nope, didn't get it. I also need to trim my nails. They are too long. I cannot see the hole. Wait. Please be magnetic and just stick. It's magnetic, but it's not powerful enough. Hopefully, once I get some more subscribers on YouTube and TikTok, I can just do this as a live stream. I hope. Oh, almost. Oh, perfect. Don't. Perfect. Got it. Everything's coming up Millhouse. And I dropped my screwdriver. I'm so worried I'm going to strip this out. It doesn't feel like it's lined up perfect. Oh, do not. I'm gonna move these up here because I almost knocked them down. Stop. I'm putting too much pressure on it, so it's... It's not wanting to go in anymore. Best I'm gonna get. I don't want to over tighten it. Okay. Last one. Perfect. Right off the bat. And I believe these things are probably meant so they don't make contact with the case itself, so they don't have it they don't, you know, get damaged. I think. I'm not familiar. I bought this because it's one of the cheaper ones and it looks cool. I don't know much about it. The reviews for it were good, but I don't know much about it. Okay, that's done. So we'll set that to the side. Pull. We're going to do these. So let's see. Blue one looks like it goes here. So peel and place. Oh, no. Place. Peel off the plastic. It looks like it ripped a little, but that should be fine, I hope. This one goes on the center. These things suck. Like, they're so tiny and they rip so easy. Jeez. Finally, the pink one. These really do suck. Go on like that. That one was easiest so far. Okay, okay. Next, we place this onto here. Yep, so I was exactly right. It's meant to prevent it from, okay, all these plastic bits. It's meant to protect them from contacting the metal, which I can only assume is something you don't want to happen. Where are my big screws? Right here. Pop it out. And they go through. Right? It says they go through, but they don't really fit. Line it up. Oh, we gotta connect this to where? Oh. I'm going to pull this out. Put this into here. Doesn't want to go in. Let's see if I can get it in. I'm learning. I'm learning. I'm learning it. Right there. Let's try and get these screws in. It says they just go through. Yeah. They go through first. Right? That's what it's telling me. Hold on. Let's see. Do I have other screws maybe? Hey, look, it came with a screwdriver. It's the same one I have. So it's these, yeah. Huh. Okay. I guess I'll keep trying to get these on. Do I just put... I don't want to force them. I guess that's what I gotta do. I gotta force them. I almost lost this one. Come on. I gotta force it. Let's flip it over. There we go. Okay. Now we line them up. Now, do we force them? It says push them through. Please do not break the Raspberry Pi. Come on. Oh, it worked. Okay. Good. Screws are in. Next, we want to take these. Let's see. Yeah. 4 of these. Put that away. 4 of those to go on these 4 holes. Let's put it upside. No, will that fall out? Nope. Good. This is, of course, set it to the side. Oh, I lost one. Nope, there it is. I can, you know what, that's exactly what I'll do. I need 4 of you so I can screw you. New plan. Put one in at a time and screw them on. Hold on, my chair is not cooperating. Right there. Need exactly the same on both sides, yep. Set it down right there. Oh, I didn't realize that one was right next to me. Get off. So tiny, and my fingers are so fat. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now let's finish tightening it. Wish I had like a ratchet for this. Next one. Oh, this one's going to be a pain in the butt. Hey, I connected you. Why are you unconnected? Hold on. This is going to be a pain in the butt to get on. Okay. This one's going to be a pain. Hold on. Let's see if I can get this into here now. Come on. Don't fight me. Oh, no, don't pop out. Perfect. All the way in. So cramped. Is it backwards? No, it's not backwards. I don't want to break this. I really don't. This is for the fan and the RGB, so it's necessary. Let's see if we can turn it around. Maybe that'll fit. Hey. I'm pulling away from the camera. I apologize. Is that it? Oh, oh, it's in. Okay. Back to hell. Let's get the ones that are going to be a little easier on first. Okay. Stay on. I pulled it out. So very tiny. Oh, it's threading. I got it. Okay, good, good, good. These ones are easy because they're on the edge. Second, I get to the ones on the interior, it's going to be a pain in the butt. I can guarantee it. 2 done. 2 more. So slap you in. Oh, this is going to be a nightmare. I don't have anything to like screw this on other than my hands. Can I get a screwdriver in there? Oh, those are the glass panels. Sweet. Okay, can I try and get a screwdriver in there? Maybe. It's a shot. The answer is no. No, it will not work. Put that back. How am I supposed to get this on? Like, look at that. There's no room for my fat fingers. Did it come with something maybe to help me? No. I hear cats fighting in the living room. There's nothing I can do about that. I don't have anything to aid me in installing this. Just gotta keep pooping on, keep pushing on. Okay, can I just turn it a little? Nope, I really don't want to damage this because I can't buy a new one. I could, but it'd be a while. I don't get paid until the end of the month, which I already gotten paid this month, so it's not going to be a payment until January 31st. Oh, come on, I had it. This, okay, can I, moving on, let's try this one over here. This one might be a bit easier. And once I can get it seated, I might have an easier time. How do they expect me to do this? I wish it came with like a tool, something I could use, but no, of course not. Here we go, I got it. Gonna be a pain in the ass, but I got it. Oh my god. Wait, can I do it in reverse? That's something I didn't think. I just unscrewed it. Why am I now just realizing I can do it in reverse? That's exactly what you're supposed to do, isn't it? Come on, hold still. I am what is known as a fool. Doing it the hard way the whole frickin' time. So we're just gonna put, hold on, I can lay it. Come on, screw on. Don't go sideways on me. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. I'm looking at the camera and it looks fine. This one's still frustrating. How do I hold this? Like, fucking I can't like pinch it down or I'll damage the board. Can I use a screwdriver to like hold it? Or is it just gonna spin around? It's just gonna spin around. I'm so close. I'm so freaking close to it. If this is the hardest part, sweet. Nope. There we go. I think. It's still loose. And these ones are much tighter. Okay, there we go. There we go. Just gotta hold it with my pinched finger. Okay. Done. ECR5 SSD shield included model. Do I have that? The answer to that is a no, so we're skipping you. Yeah, I don't need to do that. So I don't have access to that. Okay, so now we need, put you aside, put this right there. We need 2 of these and 2 of the tinier screws. 1, 2, set that to the side. So we need to take this. Okay, oh, we gotta pop that on. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's just a sticker. Cool, I guess. Goes on like this. Where did that screw into? Be careful, be very careful. Hold on, what? What are the screws there for? Ah, okay, yeah. So we need, let's put you right there, put you right here. We gotta do this first. So, right here. So let's, oh my gosh, these things are so tiny. So very tiny. Come here. It's just circling. That is so much easier. Be very careful not to lose any of these. Ow. Hold it there. What if I just lay it flat and do this? Just to get it started. There we go. It's proving to be a pain in the butt. There we go. There we go. Now we need to seat it. So be very careful not to bend it, but we need to slide you on. Okay, I think that ting, I hope it was not a bad thing. Okay, so now we gotta actually put it in its enclosure. So like that, so all the ports are exposed. Let's try this gently, right there. Then we gotta put 4 more little screws on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me line this up again, right there. And then we're gonna hold it in place like that. Oh, don't do that. You just need to get one in to hold it. Okay. Come on. It's not lined up. How do they recommend doing this? Okay. Setting it like this. That doesn't line up at all. Oh, drop my screwdriver. So that's perfect. Let's put you in like this, maybe. Oh, I almost dropped the whole thing. I'm so worried. Okay, pull you out. Relax. Let me put you back in. Like that. Line it up. It's very frustrating. I don't know what these numbers are. Come here, be magnetic for like 10 seconds. Oh my goodness. Okay. Where's my screwdriver? It's going in. Oh, it went in, I think. Yep, it's in. Okay. Let's not tighten it. Let's get these other screws in. Don't tighten it too much. We're so close. Tighten them down a bit. Okay. So now we want power button facing that way. Move it. So we're going to take, with the power button facing this way, we're going to take this one and apply it. Wait, no. There's two. Are they exactly the same? They look like they might be exactly the same. In fact, they are not exactly the same. Okay. So we want the low, looks like we want the lower one on the right side. So let's take it out of its plastic bag. Ooh, be careful. Oh, you know what? I got an extra one of these. I'm going to put it right there. Did it come with feet? I don't see feet. Did I move that bag? Where are my feet? Ah, found them. We still want this one. How do I open this? Ah, there we go. Put the trash over there. Is that okay? So now let's see. We want it like that. Now we need 4 of the little screws. One more. It's too many. Put you right there. Let's line these up and get them into place. Be gentle, be very gentle. I had to clean my room because I got to get room for this thing. It's tiny, but it's still big enough that it's going to be, that I need to, there we go. Nope. Try this again. There we go. Even with all the lights on in my room and my lamp, I'm still struggling to see these holes. What does the power button need to do? Does it work? Well, we'll find out in a minute. Okay, next, we want this one. We want, what comes with the sticker? Electro Cookie. I don't know if I'll put that on. Okay, I got stickers already. Come on, peel off. Hold on, let's see. It says, oh, this one lines up. Yep. Okay, this one lines up with those other screws. Come on, pop out. I can't, there we go. So let's see, we want it like this. Perfect. Now we need we need 6 of these. So let's see, 1. Oh my goodness, I just dumped them all out like an idiot. Okay, let's get this party started. Oh my goodness. I have such fat fingers. I used to have tiny hands, and then I grew, and my body said, no, not only do you not have tiny hands, you have fat fingers. And now I have trouble doing tiny things. Come on. I like how it came with a screwdriver, and I'm using my mini screwdriver. Oh, well, if I drop this one and lose it, I have a backup. This one came with my Arduino case, but I use it for everything now. Okay, 2 more. Oh, do not do that. It almost fell into the actual PC. And well, that's a PC, isn't it? Yeah. I was going to say it's not really a PC, but it is. This one's just spinning freely. Do I need longer screws? No. Okay, let's a little bit of pressure. They're just spinning freely. Do I need screws there? I'm gonna try it without screws. So that's that. Let me move these. Got to do the feet now. Where do the feet go? Feet go on top of the screws, I think. Technically the feet aren't needed, but I'm gonna put them on anyway. Hey, tiny, look at them. They're so tiny. Seriously, why? These ones are just spinning freely. I'm worried now. Like, did I put it on wrong? I'm gonna try one more time. Yeah, they're just spinning freely. They are not getting screwed in. I don't know if I need them. Yeah, I'm gonna make an executive decision here and say I do not need them. Let's get these feet on. Put them, okay, so they don't go over the screws, they go like in front of the screws. And on the back of the screws on this one. And we are done. There we go, Raspberry Pi in its new case. And that was a bit of an ordeal. Hopefully the screws don't want to go in. Hopefully it's not that big of a deal. Doesn't look like it would be, I hope. But yeah, there we go, all done.